This is dried seaweed. You can find it in the Asia market near Second Circle here in Jordan. Look in the description below. Soak the dried seaweed in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. We are a family of 5, so my mom used 1/5 of the package. When the seaweed is soft, squeeze the water out. Then cut into 2-inch pieces. For beef, my mom usually buys sirloin, strip loin, or tenderloin from any markets in Jordan like Carrefour, Miles, or Cosmo. But for soup, you can use chuck or round steak. You can find that in the description below. Slice the beef into small cubes. Heat a pot over medium-high heat. This is the sesame oil we recommend. Drizzle about a tablespoon of this sesame oil. Add the beef. Sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. Stir well until it's partly cooked. Add all the seaweed and stir well. This is the brand that we use for soy sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of this. We do not recommend American Garden soy sauce because there's vinegar added into it. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Again, you can find this in the Asian market or you can find it in any other big store. If you would like more flavor, you can add a little bit more soy sauce or salt. Add water only until it covers the seaweed and the meat. Then put the pot's lid on and bring it to a simmer for about 20 minutes. After it boils, add 8 more cups of water. Again, let it simmer over medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.